Okay guys, welcome back to Coupon with the Lady. Once again, this is going to be a really short video. One more time, I look horrible because I just got off work. But I had to pop in and show you what I found at Dollar General this morning. I actually did find two of the Mr. Clean penny items. Now, a lot of you are going to say, what the hell are penny items? But penny items are discontinued or clearanced or items that they've changed the sizes and they're not going to carry this size anymore. So every Tuesday, the employees get a list. Sometimes they get the list before Tuesday, but of items that the company wants them to get rid of. And when they get rid of them, usually they just throw them in the trash. However, if they don't get them off the shelves quick enough, then those items are still there for you to grab. And if you find one of those items, you get to get the item for a penny. So let me show you the receipt right quick. So hopefully y'all can see on here the prices. And if you look down to the Mr. Clean, you'll see over here that the Mr. Clean only cost 1 penny per bottle. Just 1 penny. So, of course, I picked up some other things. I picked the doctors up their gummy bears, and I picked up a Gatorade for me. But the Mr. Clean itself was only a penny. So that's how penny items work. Now, penny items are a very hush-hush kind of thing. They are not talked about a whole lot. You're not supposed to mention them to the cashiers. You're not supposed to mention them to other people in the store. Definitely don't want to walk up and say, okay, which ones are the penny items? This is a very secretive kind of thing. We don't call corporate over penny items. It's just an extra kind of thing. And I've always looked at it as, if I happen to be in the store and I happen to find some of the items that I know are a penny because of the penny list that people have put out, then I'll grab them and I'll be tickled to death that I found them. Usually it's like clearance things. I know this week the penny list had the Mr. Clean products. They're just that one, the Moonlight Breeze are the only ones, and my bottles were the 40 ounce, and actually the 40 ounce weren't supposed to be pennied, but they qualified. They worked as a penny. Now, I was ready to pay full price for it, but it did work out to be a penny, so I was really tickled with that. Now, I have to give credit to Amy Stotts, who is one of my very, very loyal listeners and very dear to me. She sends me coupons from time to time too. She's really fabulous. And when she heard that I was trying to learn how to do Dollar General, she said, oh, that's it. You've got to go watch Krista Coupons. And I did. I went and watched Krista Coupons, and I started watching the Freebie Guy as well. I have to give shout outs to both of those characters. They are so funny and absolutely wonderful. I love them to death, so I would suggest you all go watch them. But I did learn quite a bit about Dollar General from those two guys, those two people. Krista is adorable, and she does a fabulous job with her couponing. And the Freebie Guy, he's hilarious. I just love watching him too. So thank you to you guys for helping out so much, helping me learn how to do things. But when it comes to pennies, just remember these are not like couponing. These are not something you call corporate over. And a lot of times your mileage may vary with it, because you could get up to the cashier's desk, hand them your item that you know is a penny. They scan it and they might say to you, oh no, something's wrong with the system. It's not ringing up right. They may refuse to sell it to you. I have heard stories of people that they have told them they're only allowed one. So it can be a disaster. But there are people out there that the only thing they shop is the penny list. And they will go store to store to store to store trying to find all the pennies. That's just their thing. Mostly I do couponing, but I do occasionally find the penny items. So I wanted to come on today and show you that I found the Mr. Clean penny item. And I will show you one more time. It's a big bottle. It's very heavy. I don't know if you can see. This is the Moonlight Breeze, and it has to be the Moonlight Breeze. That's the one that you get. Mine was the 40 ounce. I know that there are other ounces that are included in the penny list, and it doesn't have to be done just today. If you find this item on down the road, it could still ring up for a penny. Every once in a while, those penny items, though, will go back to full price. So you also have to be aware of that, because you don't want to get into into the thing where you buy a whole bunch of penny items and you take it to the front and they're all full price. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful week couponing. There have been some pretty good deals available. I have not gone to CVS yet to get my deals. I do have a couple of ideas what I want to pick up. And when I pick those up, I will let y'all know. Okay, so I'm going to go. Y'all have a great week. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.